Hey, this is my same hive that I showed last night. But you still got some that are out here working like mad. I don't know what they're doing. But this one's working good, you know, they fly in and out. They've been building this, building that line straight across there. I'm seeing they're still building on it. So I'm gonna buy a box today and stick on top. See, it's got a large box and then a medium box. I'm thinking about sticking another medium on there. Not sure. And over here on this one, these girls are just kind of chilling out for the morning. I think what it is, these have got a lot of room up in here, so they're probably busy building comb and everything else. Whereas this one is slam full. I mean, if I open this, I'm probably gonna get stung first thing this morning, but I'm gonna lift it up so you can see. See, slam full, all the way up to the top. But so that's the difference between the two hives. So you can watch the video that I took last night of the bees hanging off the front. Might have been just because it was hot, I don't know. Please like and subscribe. And any comments are welcome. We've been beekeeping less than a week now, so